Suzuki Mehran is a name that has become iconic in Pakistan's automotive history. Known for its simplicity, affordability, and durability, the Mehran has remained a favorite among car buyers for decades. Although production officially ended in 2019, the Suzuki Mehran continues to dominate the streets, workshops, and second-hand markets. In this video, we'll take a closer look at why the Mehran remains so relevant even today, and what recent updates, modifications, and trends are keeping it alive in the hearts of car lovers. Starting off, let's talk about why the Mehran was so popular in the first place. The answer is simple: it was affordable. When Suzuki launched this car in the late 1980s, it quickly became the go-to option for middle-class families looking for a reliable vehicle. It was easy to maintain, spare parts were cheap and widely available, and even a basic mechanic could repair it. The car featured a simple 800cc engine that wasn't the most powerful, but it was extremely fuel-efficient and cost-effective. Even though technology moved forward, the Mehran remained mostly unchanged. It didn't offer power steering, ABS brakes, or airbags, and its interior was basic to say the least. But its simplicity was exactly what made it so attractive for people who wanted a no-fuss vehicle that got the job done. Whether it was for city driving, commuting to work, or taking the kids to school, the Mehran was always a reliable companion. Now let's fast forward to today. The Suzuki Mehran may no longer be rolling off the assembly line, but that hasn't stopped people from keeping it alive through modifications and upgrades. From engine swaps to exterior makeovers, the Mehran is being transformed by car enthusiasts who want to breathe new life into this classic ride. Some are swapping in FE engines from newer models for better fuel economy and performance. Others are upgrading the suspension, adding alloy rims, and even installing air conditioning systems that never came with the original versions. Another trend we're seeing is the rise of YouTube channels and social media pages dedicated solely to the Suzuki Mehran. These channels are sharing DIY tutorials, restoration videos, and reviews of modified Mehrans. People are documenting their projects, showing how they turned their old, rusty cars into something that looks and drives like a modern vehicle. It's become a whole new culture, and it's incredible to see how much passion still exists for this little car. In the second-hand market, the Mehran is still in high demand. Prices have gone up since its discontinuation, and well-maintained models are considered valuable. People who once thought about selling their Mehrans are now holding onto them, realizing that its resale value is actually increasing. It's rare for a car this old and basic to gain value over time, but the Mehran has managed to do just that because of its reputation and reliability. In terms of updates, many owners are adding digital speedometers, LED headlights, and even infotainment systems with touchscreens and reverse cameras. While these features may seem basic in newer cars, they bring a whole new experience to the Mehran. The car that once came with a simple cassette player is now being fitted with Android head units and premium sound systems. It's like blending the old with the new, and the result is surprisingly good. There's also a growing community of young drivers who are buying Mehrans as their first cars. These buyers are customizing the cars with body kits, custom paint jobs, and decals. It's no longer just a family car, it's become a canvas for self-expression. The Suzuki Mehran has turned into more than just a mode of transportation, it's now a part of car culture. If you're someone who owns a Suzuki Mehran or is thinking about getting one, you're not alone. The Mehran community is still growing, and there's plenty of content out there to guide you through every modification, repair, or upgrade. Whether it's fuel efficiency, low maintenance, or just nostalgia, the Mehran continues to